Hi, my name is Joel, and I'm one of the senior developers with JangoMail. Today we'll be discussing the JangoMail API, or Application Programming Interface. The JangoMail API provides a method for sending email, managing lists, and other features of JangoMail without using the web interface. Some examples where this may be helpful are the ability to integrate list management features such as adding, updating, and removing users from existing account management pages on your website, or triggering an email containing order information or reporting information directly from an internal business application. The API can also be used to extend the functionality of third-party servers with JangoMail's email marketing tools. The current version of our API uses the SOAP-based service standard, but also supports simple HTTP GET and POST commands for all operations. Our API can be tightly integrated using SOAP and the WSDL with strongly typed languages such as Microsoft C# or Java, but also supports other languages such as JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, and Python. Almost all languages or applications that provide extensibility allow for basic HTTP calls to a service such as the JangoMail API. Let's take a minute to look at the tools and documentation we provide to assist you with using the JangoMail API. We'll start by going to api.jangomail.com. The first place to look is at our Quick Start Guide. This will provide some basic information to get you up and running with our API. For a more thorough walkthrough, see Using the JangoMail API. This includes more detail about the API, including code samples. For users already familiar with an API such as ours, or once you're ready to discover the full potential of our API, we provide technical dictation of every available method. These are categorized by the different groups and sections of our site. For instance, under List here, we can see these are all the functions to manage list. If we jump into one of these, for instance, add a group, which is for our list, you can see all the parameters and return values that are supported by this method. Under the Usage tab, we provide an example for HTTP GET and POST commands. This is code that you can paste right into your code and just replace the values. Next, you can use the Try It Out tab to experiment with the different API calls. After typing in the values and clicking Invoke, you'll get the actual results from the service showing that it succeeded successfully. This is a great way to test out calls or also to just perform one-off functions. If further assistance is needed, you can always visit the JangoMail Help Center located at support.jangomail.com for direct assistance from one of our support specialists. Thank you for taking the time to look at the JangoMail API with me.